Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will talk about types of cybersecurity threats. We all know what cybersecurity is in my first video. I am sorry that there's a long gap between these videos, but I'll try to be consistent from now on. So, what is a cybersecurity threat, right? So, cybersecurity threat is a deliberate attempt to gain access to an individual's organization, system, network, resources, data, anything, right? So bad actors continuously evolve their attack methods to evade detection and exploit new vulnerabilities. So the more companies, organizations, tools are growing up to secure our infrastructure, organization, data, network, resources, servers, endpoints, identities, users groups, the more bad actors are going on in developing the skills to break that. Okay. So if I talk about first type of attack, it's a malware. Like as a term knows, is a catch-all term for any malicious software, including worms, ransomware, spyware, and viruses. If you want to read more about types of worms, ransomware attacks, how it gets ingested, or how it starts, you would have to go and read particularly topics related to that. Okay, so a malware is designed to cause harm to computers or networks by altering or deleting files, right? And then they will extract the sensitive data like passwords and account numbers, or sending malicious emails or traffic. Phishing, right? So malware is sent through an email, which is called a phishing attack. We'll discuss about it. Malware may be installed by an attacker who gains access to the network, but often individuals unwittingly deploy malware on their devices or company network after clicking on a bad link. So that is why there are tools, which scans your email if there is a phishing link in that or not. Okay, moving on. We have a next type of cybersecurity attack, which is called phishing. It's a type of social engineering that uses emails, text messages, or voicemails that appear to be from a reputable source to convince people to give up sensitive information or click on an unfamiliar link. Right, so now you must be recalling all those emails, and why do you have to mark it as spam, or why do you have to report it? All those compliance, cybersecurity threats, training that your company organizes. So they are making you aware of all the cybersecurity attacks. Okay. Then some phishing campaigns are sent to a huge number of people in the hope that even one person will click. And if one person clicks, they are capable of having access to all of your resources. Okay. Other campaigns, also called spear phishing, are more targeted and focus on a single person. For example, an adversary might pretend to be a job seeker to trick a recruiter into downloading an affected resume, or they might target your board of directors, CEOs, VIP people, so that they get more exposure to all the important data. Next is ransomware. We all know what ransomware is, but let me tell you, it is a form of extortion that uses malware to encrypt files, making them inaccessible. Attackers often extract data during a ransomware attack and may threaten to publish it if they don't receive payment. In exchange for a decryption key, the organization or victims must pay a ransom, typically in cryptocurrency. Not all decryption keys work, so payment does not guarantee that the files will be recovered. So it's the most dangerous cybersecurity attack. Next is insider threats. So in an insider threat, people who already have access to some systems, such as employees, contractors, or customers, they would cause a security breach or financial loss. Okay, so in some cases, this harmful is unintentional, such as when an employee accidentally posts sensitive information to a personal cloud account, but some insiders act maliciously. They are aware of what they're doing. That is why we have insider risk management. If you will read more about it in the on the Microsoft documentation or any other documentation you want to, you will have more idea of what I'm talking about. Next is social engineering. In social engineering, attackers take advantage of people's trust to dupe them into handling over account information or downloading malware. In these attacks, bad actors masquerade as a known brand, co-worker or a friend and use psychological techniques such as creating a sense of urgency to get people to do what they want. So you might have seen that some of your friends on Facebook would try to reach out to you, and then they would say that I need some money, I need this and that. But then it seems that your friend's account has been hacked, and then he is that person is pretending to be your friend or pretending to be using a false identity to seek money out of you. So that are the attacks that you should be known of. All right. Next is advanced persistent threat. So in this type of attackers would gain access to systems but remain undetected over an extended period of time. Adversaries research the target company's system and steal data without triggering any defensive countermeasures. Okay, so these were the 6 types of cybersecurity threats: malware, phishing, ransomware, insider threats, social engineering, advanced persistent threat that I wanted to discuss with all of you. If you want to read more about them, go and read more about them. Mention in your comments what extra or what other type of cybersecurity threat we all should be aware of. I hope this video was informative for all of you. If you have any further questions, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.